Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to fix theme watch issue in VS Code editor. So if you are beginner with Shopify theme development, or if you are learning to development Shopify theme from scratch and you have faced this problem, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. First, I want to show you the real issue that I am facing or you have faced, and then I am going to show you the solution of this issue. I am in the theme.liquid file and I wanted to update my theme. For example, if I check my theme right now, there have welcome to Foysal theme and we are 5000 family members, and I have added a new line h1 hello world. I wanted to update this text following Shopify post update to your theme. I have to add theme watch in the terminal, so I'm going to copy and add theme watch in the terminal, then pressing the enter. I see this file does not update it. If I check it in my real website, then I can see also that this text does not update it. Nothing updated here, and we don't see any text hello world. Let me go back, and I see there have an warning that if you wish to make change to it, then you will have to pass the allow live flag and cannot make change to a live theme without an override. So we have to override it. Okay, so now we are going to fix this issue very simply. So what I have to do, just type theme watch allow live face, enter, and this time our theme will be updated in the live. Okay, so now I'm going to just change text hello world, then save. Okay, file has been processed and updated. Now going to check the update site. Wow, we can see the update here hello world. So how we have fixed this issue, we just add theme watch allow live. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.